everybody, it's Christy at Details and Me, and what I want to talk to you about today is something maybe a little unconventional. I'm definitely going to test it in an unconventional way, which you will see in a minute, but it's what I have in this little box right here that I got from Amazon by the brand, and if I'm saying this wrong, I apologize to the brand, but I want to say it's Juquify, Juqfy, all in cap locks. Juquify is what I'm thinking. Anyway, this kind of seems like a gimmick, but the more and more I was thinking about it, the more it made sense, especially in summer months when what you really want is to get product off of your car as quickly as possible, as not to stain or leave water spots or, you know, whatever. But we also want it to dwell long enough to allow the product to do its job, right? To allow the product to work. So sometimes it's a double-edged sword when you are having to work in these elements, whether you're a mobile detailer or you detail out of your garage or just outside in general. It's that double-edged sword where it's like you need that product to dwell, but you also can't let it stay on because the sun is beating down and you don't want problems on the vehicle that you are servicing. So as I was thinking, you know, and as I've been thinking, what can I do to just make this rinsing process go even faster? Now, I know a lot of you are going to say just use rinseless, a panel at a time, which I totally agree with in most occasions. But there are those occasions where cars are completely hammered, where you're trying to go through maybe a complete decon process because you're ready to ceramic coat or whatever it might be, wash, clean, seal. I'm not sure the situation, but there are those situations where you need more than a rinseless sometimes. I have been a big fan lately of hybrid washes because it gets that gunk and dirt and heavy thick layer of grime that is on the car. It gets it off, and yet you can still come in with a simple wash and a quick wash such as a rinseless and still be effective and efficient. I have been a huge fan. So again, there's those times where you still have to foam, or maybe you just want to foam because you're all about the foam, you know, whatever it is. Sometimes you need those situations, you need that extra step, and I think this could be the ticket. I have not tried this yet. This is the first time. So let's get into what this box holds here. So again, don't laugh, you guys. EC Details, Eddie Cologne, don't laugh. I talked to him about this product and I think he was like, oh God, Christy, oh Lord, like he says, oh Lord. Well, here we go. Look what I have. Okay, people. So this is a 2-in-1 pressure washer, double-headed pressure washer tip by Juquify or Juquify. I don't know. Let's see if I can get it close. Juquify? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. But look at that. So it's a 1/4 inch quick connect. Sorry, I'm looking at my notes here. I just kind of got caught off guard looking at this madness here. Up to 5,000 PSI. It has a function that is a locking function. So do you hear that? Oh, did you see that snap? Okay, so it's a special locking mechanism that keeps those heads in there nicely. I love that. It's amazing. It comes with 2 40-degree nozzles. It also comes with 2 0-degree nozzles, the red, and then it comes with your 25-degree nozzles, your green. So whatever the pressure washing situation may be, maybe having 2 of these pressure washer tips will cause you to be able to rinse faster. That's what I'm thinking. More efficiently, more effectively, and quicker. So come with me as I do this unconventional wash. You're gonna see what I'm washing in just a second because it's not the car behind me. I needed this video to be quick and this is what I've come up with. So give me a sec and see what I've got for you. Okay, so you're all probably wondering what I'm washing today. Now, I don't know if anybody else does this or it's just me, because I definitely do this. I hate for this to be filthy dirty. Let me show you. And there she is, the city trash cans. When these things get filthy like this does, it grosses me out. even more than the trash that's in it. I don't know why. I'm weird, I know. So I decided, well, as I'm going to rinse this off today, why not foam it up a little bit and see what this double nozzle can do compared to a single nozzle. I don't know if using this trash can is going to be the best of testing items, if you will, but I do not have enough time today to use my car. Obviously that will be the next test, but this is what we're going to use today, just to see what it does, to see if there's actually any hype to this. So let me get my foam can in, and here we go. Okay, so I have my foam cannon here attached, guys. Ooh, look how good I'm getting. JTC, watch out. I'm coming for you. Look at that. I did it. All right, here we go. Gosh, I used to struggle when I had to do that. I'm proud of myself. Here we go. I'm going to foam it up, and then we're going to rinse it, and we're going to see what this double-headed pressure washer tip can do. So here we go. And I am using incredible suds at a higher dilution rate than I should, but only because I want there to be enough suds to where this is going to make a difference in testing. I want it to be a clear test. So we're sudsing it up. All right, let's change tips and let's get going. Ooh, it's hot. Look at it melting away already. So I'm going to use our normal 40-degree tip here. Just a single tip. Oops, sorry. I know that was a little shaky. Give me a second here. All right, here we go. Was pretty quick. I don't see any film residue. I mean, how can you beat that single tip? I'm not sure. Okay, let's try the double. Okay, got my Drawquify tips going. Let's move to the other side. Hopefully there's still some soap there. At least some. Let's see how this works. Here we go. You guys, believe it or not, I'm not sure. Let's look here at the pattern when we spray. You can see. I mean, it's a consistent flow. Let's go grab the single tip again. Actually, you know what? Let's just use this one. Okay, guys, so let's look at, as I set this down here, let's look at the single nozzle. You can even hear how much more pressure there is, guys. And obviously, I think it's simple science when you're having to go through two nozzles, right? You're now having to share the pressure. All right, I think you guys already know. Let's talk about it. Okay, so before we move on and talk about it, I actually want to quickly test the double 25-degree nozzle. So let's see what that's like. Here we go. Oops, let me straighten that out. Let's make that nozzle, give me a second, face the same way. Let's try that again. Still just not a lot of pressure. I don't know. Let's grab the 0-degree nozzle. Let's grab the 0 degrees here. Let's see what that's like. I was really excited for this, guys. I don't know why. I get excited about things. I have a problem. Let's see. I'm not expecting greatness here. But let's test it out anyways. Might as well, right? Let's straighten that out. Here we go. I mean, nobody's gonna pressure wash with that kind of stream, and there's still not a lot of pressure. So now let's talk about it. Well, what can I say? At $22 and what, like 99 cents? I think it's cap. I wasn't impressed. I should have known, simple science, right? That the pressure was not going to be as extreme as it would out of one nozzle, because now it's having to share the line. Like, that's common knowledge. That's, I don't know why I didn't think about that, because I was thinking it was gonna have a ton more pressure and be double, you know, the quickness. No, this will take you double the time to rinse. One nozzle is definitely enough, people, but hey, you know, you live, you learn, you test, right? And you figure it out. And I figured this out, and it's not that great. However, I guess now I have double the set of extra nozzles, right? So there's always a silver lining. Okay, well, here you go. There's mine. So until next time, guys, see ya.